All right, I'm gonna come in with my rotisserie chicken that I shredded up, and we are gonna use a good amount of this rotisserie chicken, just kind of evenly distribute it onto our romaine lettuce. You can use whatever lettuce you like, you could use whatever meat you like, you could use a ground beef, a steak, a carne asada, which is pretty much steak. But I'm gonna save this little bit for something else because I think that's plenty of chicken. Now I'm gonna come in with some diced cherry tomatoes. I just cut these, twice, and I'm going to use this whole bowl of delicious tomatoes right into our salad. Yummy. Now this isn't just some ordinary salad. We're gonna put the most amazing twist to it. I'm bringing in my red onion that are diced. Red onions are perfect if you're trying to eat a raw onion, so that's why I went for that. Make sure you get all of those onions out. Look how beautiful and colorful our salad is coming out. Now I have here my fire roasted corn. This corn is so good, you guys, and we are going to go ahead and use half of this can right on top of our lettuce in our 13 by 9. That looks like a little bit more than half, but I really like corn, so I'm just gonna stick with that. All right, and now for some extra protein, I have some black beans. I did wash these and then just put them back in the can just for, display, so you guys would know what I'm using. And I'm gonna use half a can of our black beans. You can use pinto beans, whatever, kidney beans, whatever you like. Now I have my Mexican blend cheese. I'm using the Kraft. Usually I go for the Tillamook, but they were out at the store. And I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of sprinkle that right into our dish. This smells incredible, you guys. That chicken, the corn, the chicken is cooked, but the corn is right out of the can, but it tastes and smells amazing, you guys. Okay, I think that looks like just enough cheese. You guys always get mad when I use too much cheese, so I'm keeping it a little lighter today, but this is coming out great. Now, before we get onto the dressing, I have my crunch factor. So this is gonna be a little bit of a Mexican style, salad. So I have these tortilla strips. They're healthier than, croutons, and they have the perfect crunch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle these right on top. Also, they're gluten-free. So if you're gluten-free, you can still enjoy this salad. Yummy. Okay, I used about half of this bag, and this bag is about 3.5 ounces, so half of whatever that is. Okay, you guys, this looks absolutely incredible. It's time to put this to the side. And now I'm bringing in my sour cream, and this little jar, I already used half of it, so this is gonna be perfect. We only need 8 ounces. I'm gonna place that right there. And then I'm gonna add into my sour cream. I have my Newman's Own medium salsa, chunky salsa. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour some of that right into our sour cream. Okay, I added about 1/3 of the jar. Add our taco seasoning. Keeping it gluten-free, you guys. And we're gonna put a nice little sprinkle right into our sour cream. Yummy, we're almost done, you guys. Okay, we are gonna bring in our whisk, and we are gonna go ahead and whisk this together. That looks like it mixed together actually really nicely, just right in the container. Obviously you can use a bowl, but since it's already halfway used, I figured save a bowl, save some dishes. Let's bring back our salad. Okay, and we're just gonna drizzle our homemade dressing right on top of our salad. You can use as little or as much dressing as you like. I'm just gonna use this whole thing since that's what we made it for, right? Okay. It does look like we have some leftover sour cream on the bottom, so I'm not gonna scrape the bottom because it's just pure sour cream. Okay, but this is ready to be mixed. I'm just gonna bring in my salad tossers, and we're just gonna go ahead and start tossing this together. So easy, so delicious. That looks absolutely delicious, you guys. We got a little chicken that escaped. That's no problem at all. It's time to serve this up. I have my bowl here. I'm just gonna place it right there for convenience, and then we're gonna scoop our salad right in there. Oh my gosh, this looks so healthy and so delicious. I probably could have done even more lettuce if I was thinking about it, but I think I'm pretty happy with that. Go ahead and move our tray to the side again. And then now for my favorite part, we have some guacamole, because what is a taco salad without some guacamole right on top? All right, it's time to give this a try. Ooh, I am so excited to try this. It looks absolutely incredible. Don't worry, I washed all my veggies. This is gonna be the best salad you've ever had. I could eat this every day, you guys. It's so good.